What's up, everybody, man? It's Mel plus Dominique and our baby Jazz. We back with another video for y'all, and we just made an order with Airy Berry, Beauty in a Blender.
Why you not gonna sell them back?
And because it cleans so well, you can replace multiple cleaning products for counters, stoves.
So y'all, this one, I think this was mine. It's like black soap mixed with coconut butter. All her products are organic and made from scratch. We're gonna leave her link in y'all in the bio, so if y'all want to shop with her, y'all can find her.
And if you live in the city, which is the city that we're from, if you know us, you know where we're from. She makes smoothies too, and fruit bowls, I think, right?
Yeah, fruit bowls, yep.
And that's
This
soap?
jasmine soap. She make kids products too. This is for my
Show
daughter.
them, Pookie. Go ahead, show them.
This is a sun
So, take it up.
with a moon. Sun and moon, like solar eclipse. In the back, like,
Show on the front. Other side.
and it's a moon and a sun. Smell good.
Smell good.
And this one is mine. I think it's a turmeric one.
Wait, let me see.
I don't know. I'm gonna just wash my face with it, and I'm gonna show y'all the result.
Yes.
And can I see y'all in the open?
So, this is the packaging.
Yeah, it's gold with moon.
Gold packaging with the moon on it.
Let me see. Let me show it to you.
Soap is so pretty, y'all.
It's so pretty. It's like honey. Honey.
Smell good.
Like
It's soft.
soft.
It ain't take long for us to get it.
Let's see. Is it
No,
moon?
and it shipped good. It wasn't melted or anything.
Yeah, it wasn't
We had to
melted or
put
nothing.
it in the refrigerator. You know, we live.
So y'all, we're gonna be doing like maybe a weekly review on the results of the soap, just to show what it do.
Yeah,
I got a couple spots
yeah,
on my face.
yeah, up here.
Got a couple little bumps I'm breaking out right here, so
You just gotta,
we're gonna show y'all what this do right here.
Yeah.
We're gonna show y'all. We're gonna update it by the week and show y'all what this do.
You just gotta rub
And
it.
y'all wanna see my face?
If y'all wanna come to area,
Breaking up.
call her something.
If you having skin problems, you know what I'm saying? If you having stomach problems, if your stomach upsetting you, if you having like stomach troubles and stuff like that, man, definitely
this
shop
soap.
with Airy Berry Beauty in a Blender, man. We're gonna have the link in the video below. So just subscribe to this channel, and if you want to find her, look below in the bio, and we're gonna have her page tag.
And then catch all our videos if y'all like it, like all the.
Okay,
And see
peace.
how peace. Okay.
What's up, everybody, man? It's your boy Mel and Dominique and our baby Jazz, and we doing a review on the soap we just bought from a black-owned company. Her name is Airy Berry on TikTok. We'll have her page tagged below if you want to find it.
Her business is called Beauty in a Blender.
So y'all, this the packaging.
Let's go.
She make all organic products like soap, sea moss gel, smoothies, fruit bowls, everything organic. So definitely shop with her, man. Her page gonna be tagged below. So
Right now, I'm just washing my face.
right now, yeah, we finna just wash our face with it.
Smell good. Now let's rub it all on our face.
Oh, and you can use this every day.
Every day.
Yeah, when your stomach hurts, you can pick this
She
up
recommends that you use it 2 times a day.
3 times a day.
So it's soft.
Oh,
It's all organic material. So
oh.
Yeah, I'm putting it on my lips because they black. And I need
Mine too.
the tone. And this is a toning.
I got the black
Black
soap with coconut butter.
Let me smell it.
And I got the turmeric soap.
Let me smell it.
Show them your soap, baby girl.
My
She
soap?
also make kid soap.
Yeah.
Show them the front.
I got a sun and moon like solar eclipse.
I'm not sure which one she sent. She sent that one as a gift for her baby because she never had a daughter. So I have to ask her what kind of soap it is.
It smells good, but it smells like those
But I'm sure
chips
it's
you put
along
on
the
those
lines
things.
of what
Mommy.
we got.
Let me know what these
Okay.
called things. These called
Oatmeal.
no, these things that look like that smell like the chips you put in the salad.
Oh.
What they called?
Oh.
Hmm?
I don't know, boo.
We don't even know. You can wash your hands with them, and it's so nice. And it is so nice, and they got this.
So y'all, we're gonna actually do like a 7-day review after using the soap for 7 days. Just to show y'all, like, you know, the process and the results from using the soap.
The soap is made out of golden hollow and oatmeal.
So like, definitely for my guys, man, if you have like hair bumps, if your face is breaking out or anything, like, I definitely recommend you shop with her. I'm gonna have the page tag below so y'all can find her. Blemishes,
and
stomach
scars.
pain. If you have stomach pains or anything like that, man, you gonna shop with her, get some smoothies, some fruit bowls,
Some sea moss,
everything natural, organic. So support black business, man. It's crazy. I can't watch now. Look at that. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Y'all gotta shop and see.
Her page gonna be tagged below, man.